Introducing the Bosch refrigerator with QuickIce Pro system. The industry's fastest refrigerator ice maker. With up to 40 glasses of ice daily. For plenty of ice on hand. An advanced filtration system ensures the freshest ice and pure chilled water. With the convenience of hands-free filling. Plus, an oversized freezer bin lets you store extra ice as needed. Enjoy Bosch quality and attention to detail throughout. Featuring a stainless steel back wall, sleek glass shelves, wide gallon door bins, and LED lighting. With freshness features to preserve your favorite produce, like multi-airflow to maintain consistent temperatures throughout, and an air fresh filter to keep refrigerator air smelling fresh. With ultra-quiet operation, an easy-to-clean exterior, and Home Connect to give you helpful alerts, even remote diagnostics when you need them. Bosch refrigerators with the industry's fastest refrigerator ice maker. Part of the Bosch refrigeration collection. Bosch, invented for life.